right, it is a new week. These babies are somewhere between they're like 4 to 5 weeks old. I've lost count, unfortunately, but there's 30 babies in here. And by the way, y'all, all of these babies are up for sale. Well, not all of them, most of them are up for sale. But you can see, got a bunch of Turkens. I'm actually really happy with how many Turkens I have right now. I mean, I've spent the last couple years trying to get a Turken barn, and wow. And you can see this is a silky here. That's a silky. This is a little Appenzeller baby. It's starting to get its little headdress. Got a Somani back there, the pure black one. Unfortunately, my Somanis are pet quality. I'm trying to get out of them. But until then, I'll hatch their eggs. So this is the first brooder. And I will go down to the next one. All right, look at all of these babies. Now, you can see, look at all the neck and necks. That is amazing. I'm so happy with that. And I'm hoping, I just got a Gold Deathlayer rooster. And I think he's fertilizing eggs. Because I'm actually getting Gold Deathlayers again. Right there is a mottled Houdon, which I'm going to keep those. God, I hope I can get an egg hatched out over the winter that I'll have a good breeding group, good strong breed lines come spring. They're so cute. Look at them. I got a bunch of roosters in there, and I can tell you how I know the roosters, because they have no shyness. They will come up and just peck the crap out of you. These guys are so cute. This is probably my favorite part of having a chicken business, is all of the babies. Oh, and the reason I'm doing this week is, oh, look, these guys ain't got no shame in their game. I miscalculated, and I guess I'm not going to be having a hatch this week. So you'll see my 4 to 5 week olds, which are these right here. And then my other babies across the way are a week old today. They started hatching out a week ago Thursday. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but that's really pretty. I think it's a type of Orpington, but I'm not sure. Some of them I know, and I can tell you, like, that's an Americana, or an Easter egger right there. But some of them I don't, because I've added a bunch of breeds. There's a Deathlayer baby. Okay, next brooder. This one has more Polish / Houdons, and these actually look like mottled Houdons. I'm really happy. I've been wanting to get some cuckoos in my Turkens, and I've been getting them. There's a little Appenzeller, gold spangled Appenzeller baby. My Houdon's hiding back there. You can see his funky hairdo. So, but you can see they've got even more feathers. If the weather was warmer, I would probably be putting these, if this was like spring or even summer, I would probably be putting these out either this week or next week. No, I'd probably put them out next week. But with this being winter, I'm not going to be putting anybody out that quickly. Anyways, there's the 3 to 4 week olds for this week, or the 4 to 5 week olds.